Yo, King Earner live and direct. You gonna have breakfast with the Honorable King Earner this morning. The first thing we're gonna do is make some honorable beef bacon. Make sure you have good quality beef bacon, and also make sure that you clean your beef bacon off before you get to frying, because at the end of the day, it's healthy to do so, and it's just being clean. Second thing I do is get my honorable eggs out. Put my honorable eggs in my Filzay so I can be ready to drop them in the Pilzan. But I must first wait until the beef bacon is done and the pan is hot enough for the beef bacon to go in. Soon as you see that pan is nice and hot, let's get ready to Killzook. Sound, I'm telling you now, stop, do it over. Put the pan on, let it heat up, let that grease get to going, and then put your beef bacon in. Because we're going to make sure we have the most honorable sandwich that there is. After that beef bacon is nice and done, you wash that pan real quick. It's going to come quick. All you got to do is just clean it off real fast. Drop that honorable egg after you crack him. Now listen, put your own little garlic powder if you want to, Mrs. Dilsash, however you want to carry it. I'm just letting you know that you can do this. And guess what? You put the egg over your already toasted bilzons, spread that honorable chilsies over the bilzons. You may want to carry it with a little mayonnaise, however you want to do it. Even when the honorable Il's egg is cooking, you might want to throw a little mossy in there like I done it, man. And here it is, you have an honorable breakfast sandwich created by the Honorable King Earner, live and direct. Y'all thought I was finished, but I'm not. I told you it's cooking with King Earner. It's the Honorable Cooking Show. We're cooking with honor, and guess what? This morning, I have the honorable Kingfish steaks. Listen to me. These are mackerel, but they are cut and made into an honorable fish steak, and I want everybody to have understanding. This is one of the best fish I ever taste. It's fish steak. They call it King Fish Steaks. It's mackerel. And guess what? It has a beautiful bone in the middle. That bone has honorable taste too. So you might not want to remove that unless you're not into bones. But me, I love it. Now let me get these together because they don't look too cute. And I'm going to put some honorable lemon on them first, but I'm going to put that avocado oil on there to make sure it's nice and ready for the seasoning to accept it. When you're putting your honorable avocado oil on it, make sure you have understanding that you do not need a whole lot of avocado oil or whatever oil you choose to use. But hold on one second. Let me go ahead and kind of clean this up a little bit. I don't like the way they look. They look a little lumpy. I want to make sure you guys see the honor in this honorable fish when I put this lemon on it. Now that we got them looking all sexy and ready, I'm going to take the honorable Lil Lemon and squeeze it all over the honorable fish because I'm going to want it to sit. But I'm going to add the honorable red Wilson because that red wine gives it a different honorable taste also. And we need that honorable taste added to that. Now what I'm going to do is let it sit for about a good hour or so. Add my honorable kosher salt, my honorable garlic pepper, my honorable onion powder. I mean, at the end of the day, it's going to be of pure honor. Now let's move on to the honorable grits. If you can't cook grits, leave this earth. At the end of the day, your grits have to be of pure honor. Me, I like to boil the water first and then throw my grits in and get the stirring. But this was a little bit more complicated because I forgot that I love grits, and it's 2 servings here. So, I had to put a lot more grits in there and add a little bit more water just to get that honorable whip that I like. Now, once I see the honorable grillzits have locked all the way up and, we have no other way to stir them, I'm going to add the honorable cheese to them. Listen to me. I love the orange cheese. The cheddar cheese is the best for me when it goes into the honorable grits. And then I get the stirring. Now, don't judge my honorable grits. I love them thick like that. You might not, and it may be a lot more easier for you to stir and let this cheese melt down. But me, I love it like this. I'm going to throw a little avocado oil in at the end, And I'm going to let you guys see the honorable end result of the king fish steak mackerel along with the honorable grits with the honorable cheese. But hold up, before I go, I forgot about the honorable eggs. Yes, I gotta have the eggs, and I'm gonna use the same grease I already have with the avocado oil. And I'm gonna put some Mozi all over it again. And I'm gonna make sure that the taste is of pure honor. Listen to me, guys. Listen to me, guys. Make sure when you eat, you treat yourself. Don't cheat yourself, and make sure everything that you're putting in it is majority healthy. I mean, bear with me. I'm learning as I'm going, and guess what? I'm getting honorable results. Tap all the way into the Honorable Cooking Show. King Earner live and direct.